The world can be changed with a 0.1% chance. It's a small difference, but the power makes a big difference. Raise someone from despair to hope. Change the desperate desire into a miracle. DowGene Genetic Research Institute. The DowGene Genetic Research Institute are paying attention to 0.1% to find a path to a healthier society with advanced technology and thorough quality management system, a leading company in the field of DNA identification. DowGene, established in 2002 to contribute to the healthy and happy life of humans, is the only company in Korea that has been accredited by KOLAS of CATS as an internationally accredited testing institution and has been evaluated as an A-grade testing institution by the Ministry of Health and Welfare for 16 consecutive years. In addition to identifying blood ties, unique genetic identification technology such as the arrest of criminals and identification of victims through continuous R&D, we have established ourselves as the best testing institution in the country in DNA and genetic identification. The world-class quality management system and top researchers composed doctoral level directly participate in the inspection to provide the highest quality and accuracy of the review. The core technology of DowGene is Multiplex Gene Targeting PCR technology that tests multiple genes simultaneously. It is a gene identification reagent that can analyze more than 20 STR gene markers simultaneously in a single test for the first time in Korea, providing the best accuracy in Korea. Using the most extensive 24 global standards STR gene markers in Korea, the genetic test obtained a patent for PCR multiplex amplification technology. It was registered as an internationally accredited test method by KOLAS and published by the Korean Society for Forensic and Investigative Science journal. The Multiplex Gene Targeting PCR technology became the basis for developing the COVID-19 diagnostic kit. 3 types of COVID-19 diagnostic kits capable of fast and accurate diagnosis are exported to Saudi Arabia, the United States, Europe, and Asia. We became the leading company in the K-bio industry. The technology accumulated over 20 years is confirmed in trace sample analysis, which is the core of DNA identification. The DowGene derives accurate identification results from only a minimal amount of samples, such as remains and specimens of the dead. We succeeded in confirming paternity from the remains of the martyr over 200 years old, proving its technological prowess. We were selected as a commissioned project for DNA identification by the National Police Agency from 2006 to 2013 in recognition of advanced technology. The DowGene was also selected for the DNA testing project of the Ministry of National Defense. We have identified the remains of Korean War veterans with our superior technology, and they were sent to their families. We have been carrying out DNA test projects for government agencies, including dispersed families between North and South Korea, for the Ministry of Unification for 7 years. The DowGene is also striving to develop products to protect the safety and happiness of families. My Family ID Kit can store the genetic information of children from fingerprints, saliva, hair, etc. Dr. Bebe, a seal with a built-in genetic information chip. DNA fingerprint storage kit for finding missing children. CSI Experiential Learning Kit. DowGene contributes to the popularization of the genetic testing industry. We are taking the lead in social contribution activities, such as finding missing persons and finding families of adoptees. With the Mobile Genetic Testing Center, DowGene will continue to expand our service. The DowGene has walked the single path of DNA identification with the belief that we contribute to social development. We will leap forward as a global bio company with DNA identification technology and innovation toward a healthier future for humankind. DowGene.